I'd rather hang out in the forest with some simple monk who doesn't have an entourage and learn the Dharma than with somebody with a big name, big title, and big house if I feel they don't have those three qualities. And those people, if those gurus don't have those three qualities, I don't see them. It doesn't mean they don't have it. Maybe I don't have affinity. It doesn't mean I can go running around saying nasty and ugly things about them either. We should never say ugly, nasty, and negative things about other Dharma centers, other teachers, and other gurus, whatever lineage, whoever they are. Whatever they want to get involved with, if it's ugly and nasty, they have their own karma to contend with. They have their own karma to deal with. We don't have to be the karma police. If we don't have any affinity with them, we don't have to say anything. We just keep quiet and we do our Dharma practice. That's what I feel. Every guru, every teacher, every lineage, every master has their own special practices, their own special lineage, and they have their own special people that they are karmically affiliated and affinity with from previous lives to teach it to. So if other people want to say nasty and ugly things about their teachers and students and lineages and practices, let it be their priority. We don't need to do that. Let them do that because that reflects their state of mind. They're insecure about their practice. They're insecure. They're worried. They don't know if they're on the right path. It isn't whether they're on the right path or not. They're worried. So we have compassion for them. We let them go. If it's suitable, we can tell them off nicely. If it's not suitable, we tell ourselves nicely. Keep quiet. That's all. Now, when we come across such a guru, and you can go more specific, I'm not going to go more specific than it is in the 50 verses, because you guys are studying that, so I don't need to go verse by verse by verse. When you come across such a guru, I'm summarizing it for you. When you come across such a teacher, you should treasure them. You should value them. You should respect them. How do you treasure them? How do you value them? How do you respect them? How? Well, set them up in a big house, build a big temple for them, give them a lot of money, give them whatever they want, rub their backs all day. No, that's not how you respect your guru. That's not how you practice or have guru devotion. How you practice guru devotion is this, is everything that you've been assigned, you carry out. If you've been assigned to do a particular mantra or prayer, you carry it out. If you've been assigned to attend Dharma talks, you do it. If you've been assigned to do your sadhanas, you do it. If you've been assigned not to say harsh things to other people, you stop it.